the credit reports, a description of which account it is that we're looking for, the dispute letters that were sent on that the consumer sent, the reinvestigation results that came back from the credit reporting agencies, as well, of course, as any evidence proving the inaccuracy. If the consumer is saying that they've made a payment on an account, they should have a receipt of that payment because they've probably made it through their bank. Uh, and so it's really important to maintain evidence and gather that evidence early on in the process of evaluating whether or not a consumer has a claim. I'll tell you, 90 to 95% of people that contact our office do not have any viable claims. And we are able to filter through that quickly once they've able to provide us with documentation. And usually when a consumer says I have no documentation, that's a huge red flag because uh, we're dealing with credit reporting errors. Of course, there's documentation about what's an account reporting on a credit report. There's going to be at least the credit reports themselves. So please make sure to include documentation, lists of calls if there have been any with the furnisher disputing information, and of course adverse actions such as denials of credit or if they've been turned down for a car or a house or a loan or anything like that. It's really important to include information about how the consumer has been harmed. Um, all case requests again have to be through this email address. It's really important to understand the consumer's story. How did they figure out what's going on with their report? Who is your client in the sense of everyone, of course, has a unique story.